Everyone wants the honey, but very few people care about the bee. And that is exactly why most farmers never become wealthy. People see the results. They see money from chickens. They see successful farms, but they don't see the early mornings, the losses, the discipline, the systems behind it all. They come for the honey, but they don't respect the bee. In farming, the honey is the money, but the bee is the system, the feeding schedule, the vaccination, the record keeping, the planning, the discipline, and most people ignore all of that. A farmer raises 200 chickens, sells them, and spends everything. Next cycle, he starts again from zero. Why? Because he only wanted the honey. Another farmer builds a system, tracks feed, controls costs, secures buyers, reinvests profits. Year after year, his farm grows. Why? Because he focused on the bee. Let me tell you the truth. If you chase money, you will struggle. But if you build the system that produces money, you will never run out of it. Imagine this. Your farm is running. Your chickens are growing. Buyers are ready. Money is coming in. Even when you're not there. That is not luck. That is structure. Stop chasing the honey. Start building the bee. If you're serious about turning your farm into a real business, subscribe, because I'm going to show you how to build systems that actually make money.